Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring the app is updated and you can unlock the phone quickly. Once done, open WhatsApp and tap Settings, then Notifications. This is where WhatsApp controls in-app preview text. You do this first because app-level toggles often override or interact with system settings, so change here before sweeping into device notifications. Make sure you have your screen unlocked and permissions allowed. Otherwise, later steps will prompt you and slow the process. Now you remove previews at both layers so nothing leaks on lock or banners. In WhatsApp, turn off any preview/notification text options for individual chats and groups. This stops content in-app. Next, adjust device settings. On iPhone, set show previews to never or when unlocked so content appears only after authentication. On Android, disable sensitive notifications and heads-up pop-ups for WhatsApp under App Notifications. These combine. Finish by testing. Send a message from another account and watch lock screen, banners, and notification center. If you still see previews, restart the phone and recheck settings because OS caching can keep old behavior. Make sure any wearables, assistant apps, or notification management tools don't have access. They can mirror content even after you disable previews. If problems persist, temporarily revoke notification access for those apps and rerun the test. That single step resolves most lingering preview leaks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.